All right, now the video's on.
All right, we're gonna play Wolf's Peak. This is our first time playing this. And again, it's very crowded here, so you kind of just have to jump on whatever you can. So why not try some new stuff? And so we're doing it at 80-cent bet. $20. You're gonna see where this gets you.
Let's see if we can get rich off $20.
Again, we haven't played this, so I don't know.
Oh wow, look at that. It expands.
Okay. Expand one position, each feature spin to fill the room with blinds.
And that one expanded
3 times.
So that's cool.
So is it
All right, that's a $2. Oh no, no connection.
Oh wait.
Nope.
Okay,
Kings. So how many jackpots do you have to get?
I think the number of the jackpots that you probably have.
Oh, there you go. You need 3 for the mini. Okay. All right. It's not. It's kind of starting to eat. We need 3 bonuses.
3 bonuses.
Or 3 scatter. There we go.
Something. The line pays aren't really too great. Oh. Okay.
There we go. So whenever you get like a 3 times wild or these gold wilds, they start to expand.
So you just have to hope you get
And
stuff.
there you go. Little wins here and there, keeping us alive, not really doing much.
And it has an arrow. 1 sub.
Ooh, we need 1 more jackpot. Oh.
So they stand down.
Oh, there we go.
15.
That's a great one. Come on.
Alright.
Yes. This should hit right here.
Come on.
Yes. Yes.
$2.
Too bad the other one's gonna erase, but. Okay, 1 more jackpot. No. It's gonna expand, but we're running low on our money.
On our 20, last $3.40. So
We got 3 spins left. Almost got the bonus. Last spin, or last spin right here. Oh,
they do have a 40 cent.
you're gonna do a 40-cent spin, okay? All right. Well, that was fun, but we lost on that one. On to the next one.
The next.